management, vegetation, etc. Okay? Aero with making, this is a big one. This year was a lot going on because of forestry, because of the fires. They utilized the drone quite a bit this past year. Okay? Very good. Aero inspection, rooftops, maintenance, a lot of things, how and why. And the reason, what else?
They need drones to inspect the rooftop.
Yeah.
Because it might be slippery.
Okay, right, very good. Absolutely. It makes it much safer to use a drone than putting someone on top of their roof. Absolutely. Okay. They do agriculture as well as, let's see, just want to get back.